5 powerful fruits to support kidney health and delicious ways to enjoy them. Hello everyone. Did you know that our kidneys work tirelessly every day to filter our blood, remove toxins, and keep us healthy? But if we don't take care of them properly, our kidneys can gradually weaken without us even noticing. Today, Interesting Knowledge 368 will reveal 5 miracle fruits that not only help cleanse the kidneys, but also boost overall health. Let's explore what these fruits are and how to maximize their benefits. Don't leave your screen, as the information in this video could change how you take care of your health forever. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries offer several health benefits for your kidneys. Powerful antioxidant. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, a potent antioxidant that protects kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress, a condition where free radicals harm cells, is a significant contributor to chronic inflammation and chronic kidney disease, CKD. Reduces inflammation. The anthocyanins in blueberries help reduce the expression of TNF-alpha, a protein involved in inflammatory responses. This is crucial as inflammation is a major cause of kidney damage in conditions like diabetic kidney disease, DKD. Prevents urinary tract infections, UTIs. Blueberries contain antibacterial compounds that prevent bacteria, especially E. coli, from adhering to the urinary tract lining, reducing the risk of infection. UTIs are a common cause of kidney stress, particularly in women. Supports blood pressure. The polyphenols in blueberries help lower blood pressure and improve artery elasticity. This is important because high blood pressure is a leading risk factor for declining kidney function. Improves blood flow to the kidneys. A 2021 animal study showed that blueberries enhance blood flow to the kidneys, supporting more efficient blood filtration. Choosing and using blueberries. Selecting blueberries. Ripe blueberries are blue or purplish blue in color and have a thin white or gray coating bloom that protects them from the sun. Avoid white or green unripe berries, as they are not sweet enough and contain fewer nutrients. Choosing organic. According to the Environmental Working Group, EWG, blueberries are on the list of foods with high pesticide residues. Therefore, choosing organic blueberries helps minimize the impact of pesticides on your health. Cleaning. If you are using non-organic blueberries, soak them in a solution of lemon juice or baking soda mixed with water to remove any chemical residue. Enjoying blueberries. Enjoy them fresh, add them to breakfast items like oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or make them into a healthy snack. It's best to avoid consuming processed blueberries, such as jams, sugary juices, or frozen blueberries with added ingredients. These products often lose many of their nutrients and can potentially put a strain on your kidneys. Blueberries are a natural remedy for kidney health, thanks to their ability to reduce inflammation, protect cells from oxidative stress, and improve blood pressure. This incredibly beneficial fruit not only helps maintain kidney health, but also supports overall well-being. 2. Apples. Apples offer several benefits for kidney health, making them a great choice for individuals with impaired kidney function, especially those with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus. Apples are low in these minerals, which are often restricted in individuals with CKD to reduce the burden on their kidneys. Rich in fiber for inflammation reduction. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that can lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels, improve gut health, and help eliminate toxins from the body. Support digestive function and reduce inflammation, a key factor in kidney damage. Blood sugar and weight management. Pectin in apples helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes, a leading cause of kidney damage. Apples also support weight management, which can help reduce pressure on the kidneys. Heavy metal and toxin removal. Apples have the potential to bind to heavy metals like lead and mercury, aiding in the body's elimination of these harmful substances. However, further research is needed to confirm this effect. Protection against oxidative stress. Apples contain potent antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and anthocyanins. These antioxidants protect the kidneys from cell damage caused by free radicals and improve blood vessel health to support blood flow to the kidneys. Blood pressure control. Quercetin in apples helps lower blood pressure, which is crucial as high blood pressure can significantly damage the blood vessels in the kidneys. A medium-sized apple, approximately 200 grams, is a nutritious snack, providing around 95 calories, 4 grams of fiber, and 8.4 milligrams of vitamin C, 14% of the daily recommended intake. Apples are also rich in antioxidants, such as quercetin, anthocyanins, and chlorogenic acid. While they contain 195 milligrams of potassium, this is lower than other fruits like bananas or oranges. Choosing and using apples. Opt for organic apples. Apples are ranked 8th on the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen list of produce with the highest pesticide residues. Choosing organic apples or those grown using integrated pest management (IPM) methods is a better option, minimizing the potential impact of chemicals on your kidneys. Eat the skin. Most of the antioxidants and fiber in apples are found in the skin, so enjoy your apples with the skin on, after thoroughly washing them. Clean your apples. If you purchase non-organic apples, soak them in a baking soda or lemon juice solution to remove any excess chemicals. Avoid processed products. Dried apples, apple juice, and commercial applesauce often contain high amounts of sugar and preservatives, diminishing their health benefits and potentially burdening your kidneys. Points to consider. Dried apples and apple juice. Dried apples are high in concentrated natural sugars and calories, making them unsuitable for individuals with kidney disease. Filtered apple juice often lacks fiber and antioxidants, and may contain added sugars. Excessive consumption. While apples are beneficial, consuming too many can increase your intake of natural sugars and calories, which may not be ideal for those managing blood sugar levels or weight. Apples are an excellent fruit for protecting and supporting kidney health due to their rich nutritional content, ability to control inflammation and blood sugar levels, and benefits in reducing toxins. To maximize their effectiveness, it's best to choose organic apples and consume them in their natural form rather than processed products. 3. Cranberries. Cranberries offer several potential health benefits for your kidneys, preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, PACs, which can help prevent bacteria like E. coli from adhering to the lining of the urinary tract. This reduces the risk of UTIs, a common cause of kidney damage. A 2008 Cochrane Review study found that consuming cranberry products reduced the risk of UTIs by 35% over a year. Reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, cranberries are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, flavonoids, quercetin, and resveratrol. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting kidney cells from damage caused by chronic inflammation. PACs in cranberries are also known to reduce inflammation in kidney cells, preventing the development of chronic kidney diseases, supporting hydration and kidney filtration. Cranberries are 87% water, helping maintain adequate hydration for your kidneys to effectively filter blood and eliminate toxins. Supporting reduced risk of kidney stones. While cranberries contain small amounts of oxalate, a substance that can contribute to kidney stone formation, they also help reduce calcium oxalate levels by adjusting urine pH. This helps reduce the risk of kidney stones when consumed in moderation. Improving blood vessel health. Antioxidants like resveratrol and flavonoids in cranberries help improve blood vessel health, lowering blood pressure, an important factor in protecting kidneys from damage. Cranberries are packed with nutrients including 46 calories per 100 grams, 14 milligrams of vitamin C, 24% of your daily needs, and antioxidants like PACs, quercetin, flavonoids, and resveratrol. They also contain about 87% water. Choosing and using cranberries. Select fresh cranberries that are bright red, shiny, and firm. The deeper the red color, the more nutrients they contain. Avoid cranberries that are soft, mushy, or pale. Opt for organic cranberries, as conventionally grown cranberries may contain pesticide residues. Organic cranberries are a healthier choice for your kidneys. To clean cranberries, rinse them thoroughly under running water or soak them in a baking soda solution to remove any chemical residues. Enjoy cranberries by adding them to salads or oatmeal. Use fresh or frozen cranberries to make smoothies. Eat them raw or dried, but avoid dried cranberries that contain added sugar. Important considerations. Avoid commercial cranberry juice. Commercial cranberry juice often contains high amounts of sugar, which can increase the risk of blood sugar spikes and put stress on the kidneys. Moderate consumption. Consuming excessive amounts of cranberries can increase oxalate levels in urine, a risk factor for kidney stones. If you have a history of kidney stones, consider consuming cranberries in moderation. Not a substitute for medical treatment. While cranberries can help prevent urinary tract infections, they cannot treat existing UTIs. In such cases, antibiotics are necessary, or you should consult a doctor. Blueberries are a kidney-friendly superfood, particularly effective in preventing urinary tract infections and reducing oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, two key factors that contribute to kidney damage. With their high water content and ability to support kidney filtration, blueberries should be included in your daily diet. However, it's important to consume them in moderation and prioritize fresh, organic products for optimal benefits. Grapes. Grapes offer several health benefits for your kidneys, thanks to their rich nutrient profile. Firstly, grapes are a great source of hydration, containing over 80% water. This helps maintain proper hydration levels, crucial for efficient blood filtration and waste removal by the kidneys. The water in grapes acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and aiding the kidneys in eliminating toxins. Secondly, grapes are packed with antioxidants like resveratrol, flavonoids, quercetin, and proanthocyanidins. These compounds protect kidney cells from oxidative stress damage and reduce inflammation, a major contributor to kidney damage and chronic kidney disease. Studies have shown that resveratrol can reduce inflammation and improve kidney function in both animals and humans. Thirdly, resveratrol helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow to the kidneys and ensuring adequate oxygen and nutrient supply. Grapes also contribute to lower blood pressure, protecting the delicate blood vessels in the kidneys from damage. Furthermore, grapes can help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine production and reducing the concentration of substances like calcium and oxalate in urine. For individuals with chronic kidney disease, the antioxidants in grapes can not only protect, but also improve kidney function. Finally, resveratrol in grapes has the potential to slow down the growth of cancer cells, particularly kidney cancer, due to its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Grapes are a nutritious fruit packed with essential vitamins and minerals. A 100-gram serving of grapes contains approximately 69 calories and 81.5% water. They are also a good source of vitamin C, providing 10.8 milligrams, 12% of the daily recommended intake. Grapes are rich in antioxidants including resveratrol, flavonoids, quercetin, and proanthocyanidins. They also contain 191 milligrams of potassium, which is a moderate amount suitable for individuals following a low-potassium diet, such as those with chronic kidney disease. Choosing and enjoying grapes. Selecting quality grapes. Opt for grapes that are plump, have a shiny skin, and are free from wrinkles or softness. Prioritize grapes with fresh, firm stems, as this indicates they have been recently harvested. Prioritizing organic grapes. According to the Environmental Working Group, EWG, grapes are listed among fruits with high pesticide residues. Therefore, organic grapes or those grown using integrated pest management (IPM) methods are preferable choices. Cleaning before consumption. Thoroughly wash grapes under running water or soak them in a baking soda solution to remove pesticide residue and dirt. Enjoyment guide. Enjoy grapes as a snack. Add them to salads, smoothies, or use them as a topping for yogurt. Avoid grape-based products such as grape wine, sugary grape juice, or raisins, as they are high in sugar and calories, which can be detrimental to kidney health. Here are some things to keep in mind when enjoying grapes. While grapes are a delicious and nutritious fruit, it's important to consume them in moderation. Grapes naturally contain sugar, fructose, so eating too many can lead to increased blood sugar levels, especially for individuals with diabetes. This can contribute to kidney damage, a common concern for those with diabetes. Dried grapes and grape-based products, such as raisins, contain concentrated sugar and high calories. These are not suitable for people with kidney disease or diabetes. Grape juice and wine often contain alcohol or added sugar, which can put a strain on the kidneys. Grape seeds are rich in antioxidants, but not everyone enjoys their flavor. If you choose to use grape seed extract, it's best to consult with your doctor, especially if you are taking blood thinners like aspirin. Grapes are an excellent fruit for kidney health due to their potent hydrating, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. They are a great choice for a kidney protective diet, but it's best to prioritize fresh organic grapes and avoid processed products with high sugar or alcohol content. Regular grape consumption can offer numerous benefits for your kidneys and overall well-being. Watermelon. Watermelon offers several health benefits for your kidneys. Its high water content, around 92%, makes it a great source of hydration, which is essential for efficient kidney function. This helps flush out toxins through urine and prevents dehydration, a factor that can contribute to kidney damage. Watermelon also acts as a natural diuretic, stimulating urine production to cleanse the kidneys by removing toxins and reducing the concentration of substances like uric acid, a major contributor to gout and kidney damage. Furthermore, watermelon is low in oxalate, 1 mg per serving, making it a safe choice for those prone to kidney stones caused by oxalate buildup in urine. Studies in rodents have shown that watermelon can reduce the crystallization of calcium oxalate, the primary component of kidney stones. Watermelon is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and protect kidneys from cell damage. Research suggests that lycopene may also reduce the risk of death in individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that converts to arginine in the body. Arginine promotes the production of nitric oxide, which helps dilate blood vessels, increasing blood flow to the kidneys and ensuring adequate oxygen and nutrient supply. Citrulline in watermelon also contributes to natural blood pressure control, protecting the small blood vessels in the kidneys from damage caused by high blood pressure, a common cause of kidney failure. Watermelon is a refreshing and nutritious fruit, packed with essential nutrients. A 100-gram serving of watermelon contains approximately 30 calories and is composed of about 92% water. It is also a good source of lycopene, with around 4.5 milligrams per serving, depending on ripeness. Watermelon provides approximately 8.1 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 10% of the daily recommended intake. Additionally, it contains 112 milligrams of potassium, a low amount that makes it suitable for individuals with chronic kidney disease. Choosing and using watermelons. Selecting a quality watermelon. A ripe watermelon has a dark green rind with a creamy yellow underside where it touched the ground. A delicious watermelon often has a brown web-like pattern on the rind, a sign of good pollination and sweetness. Prioritize organic products. According to the Environmental Working Group, EWG, watermelon ranks 33rd on the list of foods with low pesticide residue. However, it's still advisable to wash it thoroughly before eating to remove dirt and chemicals. Creative enjoyment. Enjoy it directly or make smoothies and juices. Add it to fruit salads or salsa. Use the rind and seeds to make detox water or smoothies, as they contain nutrients like antioxidants and zinc. Storage. Cut watermelon should be tightly wrapped and refrigerated, avoiding storage for more than 3 to 4 days. Here are some things to keep in mind when enjoying watermelon. While watermelon is low in calories, it contains a significant amount of natural sugar, fructose. Consuming too much can lead to a spike in blood sugar levels, which can be particularly problematic for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. It's best to avoid extremely cold watermelon, as it can cause discomfort to the stomach, especially for those with sensitive digestive systems. If you have a tendency to experience swelling, be mindful of your watermelon intake. Due to its high water content, excessive consumption can lead to water retention if your kidneys are not effectively filtering water. Watermelon is an excellent choice for kidney health due to its powerful hydrating properties, natural diuretic effects, and high content of antioxidants like lycopene. It helps prevent kidney damage, improve blood circulation, and support blood pressure control. All crucial factors for long-term kidney protection. However, for optimal results, it's important to consume watermelon in moderation and combine it with a healthy diet. Thank you for watching our video until the end. As you've seen, incorporating familiar fruits like blueberries, apples, and watermelon into your diet can significantly improve your kidney health. Remember, health is our most valuable asset, and small changes in our diet can make a big difference. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video to spread the good word to others. And don't forget to subscribe to Interesting Knowledge 368 to stay updated on amazing health tips in the future. We'll see you in our next video.